look at us. We're out in the world.
We're finally going to take an adventure today. It is boat season.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to Lake Jocassee,
South Carolina.
in South Carolina. We haven't really done anything in months. Not really.
COVID.
Yeah, COVID ruined everything. We were supposed to go to Paris. We were supposed to go to Mexico. We were gonna go to the Keys.
We went home. That is the only place we got to go.
That's pretty much
home.
it. So today, we decided we'd get up early and get out and take the boats out, check this place out. Although I'm a little concerned about all this. Ugh. So we're gonna be hopeful.
It's supposed to be 85 degrees and sunny, but it is 7:25, so we got.
Yeah, we had to get up really early. From what I read on the State Park website, this place fills up like by 11 o'clock, and if you're not there, you don't get in. So we're up really early to go get in a boat with this.
It is the clearest lake in South Carolina.
Yep. So yeah, see how it works out. We stopped and got some breakfast from Cindy's. Cindy's, C-E-N-D-Y-S. It's on the way to Lake Jocassee, so highly recommend that. Sorry, I'm distracted. But look how good this looks. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese. I got a delicious bologna biscuit.
$2.50 a piece, too.
Oh, $2.50? How is that? Oh, messy, crumbly.
Very good.
Very good. All right, so Cindy's on the way. That's all there is, by the way. All right.
All right, so looks like the boats aren't gonna sink. So we will go for a little exploring. This lake is the clearest lake in South Carolina, and it's fed by all of these mountains. Hopefully the sun will come out so we can see just how clear it is. Okay, so we're going to look for a waterfall. It's a couple miles away, so can't make any promises, but that's our goal. So let's do it. Okay, we still haven't found the waterfall. We're thinking it is all the way over there. We were hoping it was in the first cove like they had told us, but I don't see a waterfall, just a bunch of houses. So it looks like we're going over there. All right, I don't know if there's a waterfall over there or not, but that's where we were. And we still got to go over there. So we were told there was waterfalls here. I don't know. Sounds like a tourist gimmick. And my wife keeps wrecking me. We aren't all the way over there yet, but I can tell that there is no waterfall. Do what? Yeah, not there. But this whole lake is man-made. Here's the dam that made this giant lake. And we are parked way over there. So that's gonna be a long way back. But look how pretty it is. But no waterfall. Okay, we're almost there. We gotta get to there. And we came from over there. Yeah. There wasn't a single boat on the water until we decided to cross over, and then like 50 billion boats came out of nowhere. Yeah. Yeah. But we didn't die. Oh, and she wrecked me again. So we gotta go there, and we are almost there. So we were waiting for the sun to come out today, but we just realized that there is a giant dust storm above us going through the city right now. So the sun ain't coming out today.